create a video using a green screen. The first part is to create the actual video where you can see me or the person talking be in front of a green screen. For that, I'm gonna go to photo booth. You can also upload a video from your phone, but the requirement is that you are in front of a green screen. Try to avoid having edges without a green screen, and also try to have a very consistent green. If you see some shades or some parts that are too bright, try to adjust the light, change your location. Now we are going to go to video and we're going to start actually recording this video. Hello, this is my video with green screen. I can be talking here, explaining all about the topic, and now we are going to be ready to take this video to iMovie. Once I finish, I get my video over here. So I'm just gonna go drag and drop it to the desktop. Once I'm here, I'm gonna open iMovie. I'm going to create a new project. Basically here I have a new project, so I can go back and say create new project. And I can drag, first I need to drag the video that I created and also the image I want to have in the background. Now we have to work with layers here. So what I will do here is add first the background image, and on top of that background image I'm going to add my video. Now if you see here on the timeline, the video is longer than the image. Well, we can fix that easily. We just click on the image and drag it until the end of the video. So, there you go. Now, once we have that, we're just gonna click on the clip with the green screen, and we're gonna click in the first icon. Here where you see two screens or two layers, I click there, and then I click where you read in this scroll bar, I click on green, blue screen, and now automatically it erases the background. Now when I play the video, you see that the image on the back moves a little bit. I mean, it's a little bit hard to tell, but it looks like the movie on the back is shrinking. In order to avoid that, I can click on the image, and then I click on the third icon here in the toolbar, and I say fit. Okay, or crop to fill. It's up to you. You can say crop to fill or fit. And now when I play the video, now the image doesn't move. Okay. Let's see what happens if I click on this and say crop to fill. All right. How does it look at the end? It looks like this. All right. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I hope this video was helpful.